Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best bicycle stem in this video? I will show you the top 5 best bicycle stems to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Racework Al750. Specifications: brand, Racework. Model, RK570. 4 clamp diameter, 28.6 mm. Handlebar clamp diameter, 31.1 to 32.5 mm. Height, 36 to 45 mm. Material, aluminum alloy. Color, silver, black. Size, -17 degrees, 80 mm. Weight, about 193 grams. Applies to MTB, XC, FR, and DH. Number 4 is adjustable MTB stem. Specifications: material, aluminum 7075. Handlebar mount, 31.8 mm. Steerer diameter, 1 1/8 inch. Length, 80, 90 or 100 mm. Angle, 6 degrees. Maximum torque, 5 Nm. Finish, with gloss. Color, silver. Weight, 225 grams. As the item number 3, we've selected Syncros Ultralight Carbon MTB Bicycle Stem. Specifications: material, carbon fiber. 4 clamp diameter, 28.6 mm. Handlebar clamp diameter, 31.1 to 32.5 mm. Angle options, 6 to 17 degrees. Length options, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 120 mm. Design, Syncros SL model. Compatibility, MTB and road bikes. Weight, ultra lightweight. Number 2 is Support USS Suspension Stem. Specifications: brand name, Support. Type, bicycle stem. 4 clamp diameter, 28.6 mm. Handlebar clamp diameter, 31.1 to 32.5 mm. Material, aluminum alloy. Shock absorption angle, 0 to 8 degrees adjustable. For horizontal handle diameter, 31.8 mm. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Merica MTB suspension stem. Specifications: brand name, Merica. Type, bicycle stem. Handlebar clamp diameter, 31.1 to 32.5 mm. Height, 36 to 45 mm. Material, aluminum alloy. Origin, mainland China.